Slope is the rate of change, or how steep something is. If you look at the two lines that we have here, you notice that this one is not as steep as example B is. So we're going to talk about today how to find the slope of a line that you're given. The first way that we can find slope is we can use what we call rise over run. To find rise over run, you start with 2 points that are on your line. And we have this point here that is -1, 2, and we have another point that is 3, 5. So I'm going to start at the lowest point, and I'm going to see how far I have to rise. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of this line is 3 over 4. The 3 is positive because I went up, and the 4 is positive because I went to the right. If we look at the second example, example B, I have the point 3, -2, and 1, 4. Again, I'm going to start at the lowest point, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to the left 1, 2. Since I went to the left, it's going to be -2. And I can simplify that fraction to equal -3. So the slope of this line is -3. The slope of example A, I forgot to put the m equals, is 3/4. M is the standard variable that we use to identify the slope of a line. The next thing I need you to do is write in your composition book finding slope when given 2 points. And you can write that under the paper that's glued in your composition book. So I'll give you a second to do that. The formula for slope when I'm given 2 points is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This x and y is one ordered pair, and this x and y is another ordered pair. So let's look at the example from A of our line. We had the points -1, 2, and 3, 5. I'm going to label this one x2 and y2, and this one will be x1 and y1. The 1s and the 2s are only identifiers. They do not mean anything except this is the first point, this is the second one. So we're going to take these and we're going to plug them into our formula. M equals y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is 2, over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is -1. And we continue this, and we know that 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus -1 is the same as plus a positive, and that is 3 over 4.